started answering slower, but laughing when he called. I told myself it's nothing, I've been wrong before. I kept making small excuses just to stay around, like if I stayed there long enough you'd turn back somehow. I was standing where I don't belong, calling it love, but I knew it was wrong. Tried holding on just to prove I was strong, but deep down I knew it all along. If I let go now, what would remain? Just empty space or borrowed pain. I shouldn't have tried to make you see me different. Shouldn't have blurred the lines just 'cause I felt insignificant. You were never mine, I just didn't wanna lose. So I made it complicated and I made it hard for you. Try! Shouldn't have tried. When you saw right through my head, you didn't even fight back. Just a look at it, some kind of quiet regret. You said I made it messy, you said I crossed the line. Guess I wasn't fighting for love, I was chasing what wasn't mine. I saw what you wrote that night, did it to read it twice. After that you pulled away, like I took too much space. I shouldn't have tried, even if it felt so right. Shouldn't have blurred the lines just to keep you in my life. You were never mine, now I finally see the truth. Sometimes loving someone means letting go of you. I shouldn't have If you know this one, please sing it with us. I never really knew how to say this to you, so maybe this song will do. I know the way you look at the floor, like you're scared of wanting more. I don't ask, I don't pretend, I just stay right where I am. And every time your voice gets low, I act like I don't notice it, but honestly never say. I hear it anyway. You smile just enough to hide everything you keep inside, but your silence gets so loud when nobody else is around. I don't shine the way they do, but I love you honest, love you true. Maybe that will never be enough, but it's the purest thing I've got. I'll be right here when you're unsure, when loving feels too hard to endure. Even if I'm not the one you choose, I'll stand by your side. I'll stand by you. And if your heart breaks piece by piece, I'll stay until it breathes. Even when you push me far away, I'll still remain. Maybe I'm not what you dreamed. Maybe I'm not what you need. Maybe I'm just someone who loved you too deeply. And maybe one day you'll wake up beside somebody better, someone brighter, someone easier to love. But God, I wanted it to be me. Why do I always feel like I'll never know? Why do I keep holding on when you let it go? I gave you every part of me, every broken memory, and I still wait. I still stay. Don't let go. Don't let go. I'll be right here, no matter how, no matter then, no matter now. Even when I feel I don't deserve you, I'll be right here, loving you. Even if someday you forget my name, I'll still love you the same. And if this love was never meant to stay, at least you knew somebody stayed. I'll be right here. I'll be right here. I'll be right here. Next song. Kalalopen at takot kahilangan sa sodan. Don't leave me. I've been losing sleep again. Same dark room, same thoughts in my head. Every wall starts closing in, but I keep pretending I'm fine instead. Pressure on my chest, I can barely stand. Try to hold it in, but it slips through my hands. Every little crack got a story to tell. I've been living in a personal hell. If I let go now, I might disappear. If I break somehow, would you still be here? Don't leave me. I'm barely holding it together. Don't leave me. You're the reason this place feels like home. When I'm falling into nothing again, you're the only thing that I can hold. Don't leave me. forth, telling me I'm everything I hate and more. Try to shut it down, but it comes right back like a shadow in the dark I can't detach. I've been walking on a line so thin, one step off and I cave within, but your voice cuts through all the noise like a signal when I got no choice. If I lose my way in the undertow, would you pull me back or let me go? I'm barely holding it together. You're the reason this place feels like home. When I'm falling into nothing again, you're the only thing that I can hold. Don't leave me, I don't wanna be alone. Don't leave me, leave me, leave me, leave me. Don't leave me, don't leave me. If everything I built just fades away, would you stay? Through the silence, through the pain, through every loss I couldn't face. Don't leave me, don't let me go. You're the only hope I know. Even when I lose control, you're the reason this place feels like home. When the world is tearing me apart, you're the only thing that holds my soul. Don't leave me, I don't wanna be alone. Stay, just stay. This only feels like home when you're still here. Yeah, thank you. Makasih. Kadang kita capek, pengen nyerah juga, tapi kalau lo masih di sini, still breathing, still alive. Yeah, I'm sick of hitting the ground, face first every time I come around. Voices in my head go loud, but I won't let them drag me down. Pain hits like a loaded gun, every scar says what I've become. Still hear you in the static noise, trying to break me, kill my voice. I don't need your sympathy, I just need to breathe. I'll stay alive, even when it burns inside. Oh, I'll stay alive, I won't fade out tonight. Yeah. Oh. They talk shit, but I don't hear it. Same old lies, I'm nowhere near it. Broken bones stand tall. I don't care. Try to push me, try to break me, try to tell me what'll make me fall apart, but I won't crack. Step back, I'm fighting back. I don't need to be a hero. I just won't hit it right. Even when it burns inside. Oh, I won't fade out this pain is what I fight. I stay alive. I won't back down tonight. Still here. Still breathing. All right. After all that noise, let's bring it down for a minute. I wrote this song for someone really special to me. For the person who stayed before there was proof that any of this would work out. This one's called The Future You Saw First. There was a time I didn't look too far ahead. I just let the days decide where my life would end up next. And you came in talking about tomorrow like it was something we could actually reach. You saw life inside my hands before there was anything to hold. Somehow your faith in me made my broken heart believe. Piece by piece, we were learning how to hold on through the fear, through the nights that felt too long. Before we had answers, before life made any sense, you were the only thing I never wanted to lose. Hey! A small room, cheap lights, counting every paycheck twice. Still you smiled at me like we were gonna survive. You left your world behind and put put your trust in mine. Even when we had nothing, you still stayed by my side. We were barely holding on, still somehow we weren't alone. Then that little heartbeat came and made our empty house feel whole. You believed before the world did, before there was anything to see. And honestly, I think that changed everything in me. We still lose our way sometimes, but every broken part of me feels lighter by your side. Piece by piece, we built more than we imagined. From borrowed time to a life worth having. Now there's laughter in the hallway, tiny footsteps running free. And after all these years, you still feel like home to me. You were home before we ever had one. Okay, you guys rested enough yet? Sometimes the hardest part isn't saying goodbye, it's waiting. Wait a second! Waiting for the night, waiting for that one person, waiting for the moment everything finally feels right again. And when you finally see them, suddenly the whole world doesn't feel that heavy anymore. So tonight, this one's for the people who make your heart beat faster. The song is called I Can't Wait to See You moving way too slow, but my heart is ready to go. Shirt's been hanging since the afternoon, waiting for a night that's coming soon. Yeah. Last text keeps playing in my head. Don't be late, I'll be there, you said. Caught myself smiling out of the blue. Guess that's what you always do. Why won't the daylight fade away when all I want is you right here to stay? I take feels fast, like I'm running to you at last. I can picture that smile of yours, the one that makes me want you more. Tonight ain't about where we go, long as you're there, that's all I know. Every second's getting closer now, this feeling's taking over somehow. Nothing else in the world will do. I can't wait to hold your hand, walking slow, no other plans. Let the whole world pass us by, just you and me, that's our vibe. And now the night we waited for is here, and suddenly standing near. Turns out love's so simple too, it's just me getting to you. Thank you. Thank you! We just want to say thank you to all Ashen Heart Anthem fans yang sudah datang malam ini and singing with us tonight. Your echo lingers in this room, like you forgot to leave for good. Every corner knows your voice, even silence never could. There's a space you used to fill, now it barely feels like mine. All the little things you touched still refuse to say goodbye. This is my breaking in the quiet air, round and round this stubborn heart still swears that you're still there. Turn it up inside my head till the truth just disappears. I keep finding pieces of you in the places you you were here. In the places you were here. I don't say your name out loud, but it's written in my mind. Every step I try to take leads me somewhere back in time. There's a side I can't replace, no matter how I rearrange. Guess some things you leave behind never really learn to change. This is my echoing what I can't repair. Round and round this restless heart still acts like you still care. Turn it up inside my head till I almost feel you near. I keep losing you again every time you reappear. True. Was it real? Or just me holding on to you? This is my playing on a loop again. I keep writing you in just to let you go again. Thank you. We love you.